My name is Javi. I'm 31. I'm a fitness instructor, and I got Botox Cosmetic. So what brought me to considering Botox Cosmetic is I saw myself in a photograph, you know, living my best life. I was on a vacation and I was with my friends and we were on the beach and we were all smiling. And I looked closer and I was like, that's what everybody sees? The lines, just like in this video. The lines were so prominent. It's all I saw in the photograph. But now when I take photos and I see myself in photos, it's me. I just have fewer lines.
Talk to your doctor about Botox Cosmetic and whether it's right for you. The effects of Botox Cosmetic may spread hours to weeks after injection, causing serious symptoms. See for yourself at BotoxCosmetic.com.